Hello! So following on from last week's video about a signature stamp brush in Procreate, today I'm going to show you my shortcut for quickly adding my signature to my Photoshop or Illustrator artwork. You'll need a transparent PNG image of your signature. I'm using the same one I made in Procreate and I've exported it as a PNG and sent it over to my computer. Simply open the image in Photoshop, go to Window, Libraries, tap the plus icon here, select Graphic, and your logo or signature is now saved in your Creative Cloud library. When you want to add it to a document, you can just open the Libraries panel and drag it in. In Illustrator, the process is the same. Open the Libraries panel by going to Window, Library, select the object you want to add, tap plus, and add it as a graphic. You'll see here we can also drag in the one we just added from Photoshop. That's it from me this week. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for tips and tricks like this every Wednesday. Have fun, stay creative, and I will see you soon.